your coach hide and seek.
Great idea, Dawn. Oh, I call Buddy's team.
No teams. That's my rule. Okay, Dawn, no teams. We'll all hide on our own.
Can I be it? I'm excellent at finding things. Look, I found my toe flop. And I found Buddy's tail. And Shiny's amazing shiny beak. Okay, everyone ready?
Ready! Wait, where's Dawn? He must have gotten a head start and get ready.
Then we should catch up. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready or not, here I come. Found you, Shiny.
Wow, you really are excellent at finding things, Gilbert.
Top of the morning to you, Tiny.
You found
He's still trying. Ethan, you need a little help, honey?
And Dawn.
We see you, buddy.
Oh, it's hard to hide this big T-Rex tail, but it's a perfect balance for your head and torso, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Need some help? Come here, I'll help you.
Oh no!
Come here.
I see him anywhere.
Come here.
Do you think he went to another car? I don't think so.